Welcome to video 7.1a, triangle application theorems. All right, there's three of them. First one, the sum of the angles of a triangle theorem. If the figure is a triangle, then the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Very simply, here's a triangle. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180 degrees. Second theorem, exterior angle theorem. If an angle is an exterior angle, then the measure of the exterior angle is the sum of the two remote interior angles. Let's start defining some terms. Exterior angle is on the outside of the triangle. Interior angles are on the inside. However, remote interior angles are far away in a remote location. So if this is angle 1, the exterior angle, this angle here would actually be called the adjacent angle. These two would be called the remote interior angles. And very simply, in this figure, the measure of angle 1 would equal the sum of the measure of angles 2 and 3. Third theorem, midline theorem. Before I do it, let me define what the midline is. The midline of a triangle is a segment that joins the midpoints of two sides of the triangle. Here's the theorem. If a segment is the midline of a triangle, two things happen. One, the midline is half the length of the opposite side. Two, the midline is parallel to the opposite side. So notice over here in this figure, x is the midpoint, tick, tick. Y is the midpoint, double tick, double tick. So the segment that joins x and y is called the midline, and the two things happen. XY is half the length of BC, and XY is parallel to BC. So there you have it, 3 triangle application theorems.